Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today our topic is about reserved words and header files used in DevC. Reserved words are those words which have special meanings in any language and they cannot be used as variable names. And header files are generally included in C language and that are basically library files and that are used for specific purpose. Now let's see what are the reserved words. Reserved words are part of programming language and have special purpose in computer programs. These are called reserved words or keywords. इनको keywords भी कहा जाता है. They have predefined meaning and they cannot be used as variable name in C programming. For example, auto, break, integer, double, for, while. ये each language have its own set of reserved words. अब इसकी list page 39 के ऊपर मौजूद है जो सी लैंग्वेज के जो रिजर्व वर्ड्स हैं. पेज 39 पे देख सकते हैं जो डेफ सी लैंग्वेज के रिजर्व वर्ड्स हैं. इनको आप वेरिएबल नाम एज ए वेरिएबल यूज नहीं कर सकते. व्हाट आर हेडर फाइल्स? सी लैंग्वेज कंटेन अ नंबर ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शंस इन लाइब्रेरी फाइल्स दैट परफॉर्म वेरियस टास्क इन सी प्रोग्राम. जो स्टैंडर्ड फंक्शंस होते हैं और जिनकी लाइब्रेरी फाइल मेंटेन होती है उस लैंग्वेज में, और दीज आर यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म वेरियस टास्क. Library file contains header files and each header file contains a set of functions. Each library file contains header file and each header file contains a set of functions. For example, some commonly used header files are studio.h जो हम dev C में use करते हैं. For example, these are studio.h, pony.h and math.h. अब studio.h के अंदर क्या है? The commonly used function. अब studio.h हेडर फाइल के अंदर जो फंक्शन है वो प्रिंट एफ आउटपुट के लिए, स्कैन एफ इनपुट के लिए, प्रिंट एफ एंड स्कैन एफ. If we don't include this header file in our program, then we cannot use printf and scanf. So we must include studio.h in our program. And how we will use it in our program in the coming video, next session we will see it thoroughly that how we can use it in our programs. Similarly, some commonly used functions that are included in conny.h header files. अब these are header files. These are, and it contains function clear screen, getch and getche. Similarly, math.h, this is another example of header file. A math.h header file contains mathematical functions such as square root. It is used to find square root. We don't need to write the code of square root. We just include math.h header files in our C language, and it contains the functions square root, power, logarithm, sine, cos. It contains all mathematical functions. Here I have given some example. It contains all the list of mathematical function. We just need to add math.h header file in our program and we can use all these mathematical functions in our C programming. So these are basically the purpose of header files that we must include in our program. For input output purpose we use studio.h. To get output on the screen and use the getch function we use conny.h header files. If we don't use conny.h, then we cannot get output on monitor screen. To use mathematical functions square root, power, logarithm, sine, cos, tan, theta, we must include math.h header file in our dev C program. Okay. Similarly, reserved words are those words that have special meanings. For, auto, break, these are the commands that are dealing the language. So we cannot use these reserved words in our program as a variables. As a variable we cannot use it, but as a command or keyword we generally use reserved words. Each language has its own set of reserved words. In C, dev C language, the list of reserved words are mentioned on page 39 on the textbook. And this is the header files. So any difficulties in reserved words or header files, or any question or query regarding this topic, you can ask me in WhatsApp or Messenger. You have to learn this these two things. What are the reservoirs and what are the header files from your textbook, page 39 and page 40. Okay ji, thank you. Allah Hafiz.